Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the roll cake recipe in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let me show you my recipe. Okay, this is the recipe for original roll cake. And if you want to obtain this recipe guys, you need to find Doris and you can buy this recipe from her Fortune store. And you can find Doris during the rainy or snowy condition. You can also find her during the rainbow event. And you can check the weather on your watch. Open up your watch menu and open the weather. And now the rainbow event is active, means that we can find Doris somewhere. And for today's rainbow event, we can find Doris at the central square. So I'm going to go to central square to buy the um, recipe. Okay, this is Doris, and you can go to her Fortune store. Then you're going to buy the recipe right here, and you need wishing stars to buy roll cake recipe. And you can also buy the ingredients for the roll cake recipe. You will need the violet sugar and also the yellow sugar. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the roll cake recipe in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!